this is guys, this is my manok na pula game. So guys, I'm going to show you all of my chickens or all of my fighting chickens in this game. So this is the first chicken, you know, and this chicken, yeah, this is the level and this thing. Like of that, I don't want to buy that. That's it, guys. So guys, I'm gonna show you for me, this is my most powerful of my fighting chickens or chick. Yeah, because it's only a season and I don't have any chicken for now. And guys, this is what I want to buy, but I don't know what is the most powerful. This I want to buy this. Someone can connect me this dragonite. So guys, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna fight ostrich. Yes, guys, thank you very much. Oh no, this ends. I don't like that. Yeah. So, thank you guys for watching. This is the end of the video. Thank you guys. Please can you share, subscribe, and comment. And turn on the notification bell for being updated to my latest posts or new posts, guys. Thank you very much, guys. Please subscribe.